I should go.
Be safe.
I will. Here's the last one.
Great! Just put it inside.
Looks cozy already.
It will be.
Don't worry, we'll be there soon.
Okay, it's just so dark out.
I know, just hold on.
This stew is almost ready.
Smells amazing. I'll get the bowls.
This is so cozy.
Yeah, perfect. This should warm us right up.
It smells wonderful already.
Here you go.
Thank you.
This rain makes it hard to see the landmarks.
It does, but it's cozy in here.
True. Look, the next town.
I see it. The rain makes everything magical.
Yeah, it's so peaceful.
I could walk here forever.
Me too.
This tea smells wonderful.
Thank you for your hospitality. It is my pleasure.
To good company.
Beautiful night, isn't it?
It really is. So peaceful.
I'm glad we're here.
That should keep it going.
Perfect. Thanks.
It's so peaceful here.
It really is.
The rain is so calming.
It is. This is perfect.
This coffee is perfect too.
Glad you think so.